Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best Combat Troodon is probably one of the most versatile and reliable knives on the market, boasting a sleek design and exceptional durability that makes it a top choice for outdoor enthusiasts, survivalists, and everyday carry users alike. Its unique features and robust construction ensure it can handle a wide range of tasks, from intricate cutting jobs to demanding survival situations, making it an indispensable tool for anyone who values quality and performance in their gear. Number 5. Smith & Wesson H.R.T. Boot Knife. Introducing the Smith & Wesson H.R.T. Boot Knife, a reliable companion for your everyday needs. This knife is designed for quick and easy access, making it ideal for everyday carry. Crafted with a durable 7cr17 MOV high-carbon stainless steel blade, it ensures longevity and performance. The black rubber-wrapped handle provides a secure and comfortable grip. Feel confident with its secure handguard, preventing any slips during use. The included belt or boot sheath allows for convenient and discreet carrying. With a lanyard hole, this knife can easily be converted into a neck knife, offering even more versatility. Be prepared for any situation with this dependable tool. This product is backed by a limited lifetime warranty from Smith & Wesson. For any questions, please visit the Smith & Wesson website. What we like. This boot knife offers robust construction with its full tang design and a comfortable, secure grip thanks to the rubberized handle. It comes with a convenient sheath for easy carry. If you need a reliable, no-nonsense fixed blade for tactical situations or as a backup tool, this is a solid choice. What people say. Came with a very well-made durable leather sheath with metal belt clip and button clasp. The clip is nice and strong, of good quality size to mount to a MAL system. Pants that have the hardened reinforced edge for, say, flashlight on your thigh or lower calf, it fits, and also for some pants horizontally in the back belt loops. This is a double-edged blade, and remember that. It cuts things well, and stays sharp well. Number 4. Smith & Wesson Benji Keychain Knife. Introducing the Smith & Wesson Benji, a compact folding knife designed for everyday carry. Its high-carbon stainless steel blade ensures durability for any task. Crafted with a robust black oxide high-carbon stainless steel blade and a black aluminum handle featuring TrackTech inserts, this knife is built for reliability. Access it quickly with the convenient pocket clip, ambidextrous thumb knobs, and flipper. The liner lock and safety lock provide secure blade deployment. Carry it your way with the integrated lanyard hole, offering multiple convenient carrying options for any situation. This knife comes with a limited lifetime warranty, reflecting our commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. Visit our website for details. What we like. This folding knife is designed for ultimate portability and ease of use. Its compact size and ambidextrous opening make it incredibly convenient for everyday carry. If you're looking for a small, discreet knife that's always accessible for quick tasks, this keychain-friendly option is perfect for you. What people say. The Combat Troodon is an automatic knife that deploys incredibly fast. Its large size and robust construction make it feel substantial in the hand. The blade is razor sharp out of the box and holds an edge well. Number 3. PAL 2000 Knives Handmade Damascus Steel Hunting Bowie Knife. Introducing a true masterpiece of beauty and precision. This isn't just a tool, it's designed to be as functional as it is stunning. It's your ultimate outdoor companion, perfect for hunting, camping, and any adventure you embark on. Be ready for every challenge. The blade is meticulously hand-forged with over 300 layers of high-carbon tool steels, featuring a nickel layer. It's been expertly heat-treated for exceptional durability. Looking for the perfect gift? This makes an ideal present for Christmas, birthdays, or any special occasion. It's a standout choice for anyone who appreciates fine craftsmanship. It comes complete with a handcrafted leather sheath, featuring a durable belt loop. This ensures easy and secure carry, making it ready for any journey. What we like. This is a true work of art, featuring a stunning handmade Damascus steel blade and a unique camel bone handle. Its substantial size makes it an impressive outdoor companion. If you appreciate exceptional craftsmanship and need a large, capable knife for hunting, camping, or as a collector's piece, this Bowie knife is an outstanding selection. What people say. Immediately impressed by the blade. Seems to be sturdy, and well made, from what I can tell right now. Looks great. This knife is amazing, great detail and craftsmanship, this is a must-have piece. It's very sharp and has the perfect grip and weight. Incredible craftsmanship and detail. Very high quality all around. Number 2. Gerber YoJimbo Pocket Razor Knife. This is your ultimate everyday carry tool. It features a replaceable blade, a secure liner lock, and a stainless steel handle that also functions as a money clip. Constructed from high-quality stainless steel, this lightweight knife is built for daily use. It's designed to be a reliable part of your EDC kit or survival gear. Its slim profile ensures easy access and comfortable pocket carry. This makes it perfect for both outdoor adventures and urban life. This accessory is ideal for tradesmen, hunters, and anyone who needs a reliable tool. It's a great addition to your camping, work, or fishing gear. Designed for everyday carry, it seamlessly integrates into your lifestyle. Whether for work or leisure, it's always ready when you need it. What we like. This utility knife redefines everyday carry with its easily replaceable contractor-grade blade and a handle that doubles as a money clip. Its slim, compact design ensures it's always at hand without being cumbersome. If you're a tradesman, a frequent traveler, or simply someone who values practicality and convenience, this versatile tool is an essential addition to your kit. What people say. The form factor is perfect for an EDC knife that you'll actually use all the time because it's always with you. Folded up, it fits neatly in the coin pocket of most jeans and it opens to provide just enough handle length to be safe to use without serious concern. You never need to worry about sharpening it since you can just reverse and eventually change the standard utility blade it uses. A dime is perfect for use as a screwdriver for undoing the little blade retention screw. The Gerber EAB takes standard trapezoidal utility blades. You can find them at Walmart, at any hardware store, and here on Amazon. You can open letters, packages, and blister packs without worrying about dulling the blade. You can cut through tape and adhesives without worrying about getting sticky residue on the blade. You can use the knife freely without worrying about having to clean, sharpen, or restore the blade. Number 1. Spyderco YoJimbo 2 Folding Knife. Experience unparalleled comfort and control with its refined handle contours. This design maximizes hand contact, promoting a secure, thumb-forward grip for enhanced cutting efficiency. The blade is crafted from high-quality CPM S30V stainless steel. It offers exceptional edge retention, corrosion resistance, and durability for demanding tasks. Enjoy extreme slicing power thanks to its hollow ground planeage blade. It transfers force directly to the tip for consistent penetration and precision cutting. Its open-backed handle is strengthened by skeletonized stainless steel liners. These form the foundation of the high-strength compression lock mechanism. The peel-ply textured G10 scales provide a non-slip grip in any condition. It also features a 4-position pocket clip for versatile carry options. What we like. Engineered for high performance, this knife boasts a premium CPM S30V steel blade known for its superior edge retention and durability. The ergonomic handle design ensures a secure and comfortable grip for precise cutting. If you demand top-tier cutting performance and reliability for tactical applications, survival, or demanding outdoor tasks, this is the knife you've been waiting for. What people say. The Combat Troodon is an automatic knife that is known for its rapid deployment and robust construction. It features a double-action mechanism, meaning the blade can be deployed and retracted with the push of a button. The blade is made of high-quality steel, ensuring durability and sharpness for various tasks. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.